Did you know that you can use your microwave for more than just heating up leftovers? You can also use it to cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs and a chocolate chip cake using your microwave. For the chocolate chip cake, you're going to need a microwave mug, butter, chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of flour, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. So first we're going to start off with some spray. We're going to spray our mug. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of butter and our 2 tablespoons of milk. Just dump that in there. We're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And while we're waiting for that to get finished, let's go ahead and work on our scrambled eggs. So to our mug, we're going to add some cooking spray again, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk. Give that a little stir with a fork. To our eggs, we're going to add a pinch of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And I like cheese in my eggs, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cheese. Take our fork again, give that a little stir. Okay, we're going to come back over to the microwave. We're going to take out our butter and flour very carefully. It can be warm. So we have our butter and milk in there. And we're going to go ahead and take our eggs and put our eggs in the microwave while we finish our cake. So the first setting for eggs is you're going to cook them for 45 seconds. And when that's done, we're going to give it a little stir. So back to our cake, we're going to add to our melted butter and milk 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give that a little stir, nice and mixed up. A half a teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a stir. We'll come back to that in just a minute. Let's go back over to our eggs. We're going to give our eggs a quick stir. So you can see they're starting to set up a little bit. We're going to give them a little stir. And then they go back in the microwave for another 45 seconds. Back to our cake, we have our flour that's going to go in next. So we have our brown sugar, our butter and milk, and vanilla already in there. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle in 4 tablespoons of flour. We're going to give that a mix. And then we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Now our eggs are done. So we're gonna go back over here and get our eggs. And while we wait for those to cool, let's go ahead and take our cake and put it in the microwave. And the cake is going to cook for 1 minute and 25 seconds. Okay, so let's check out our eggs. So here are our cheesy eggs. Careful because they're warm, but you can tuck and put them on your plate. And we have some nice, yummy eggs. You could add other things to your eggs. You could add some spinach, some onions, make it more of an omelet. You could add some bacon, some sausage, kind of do a breakfast scramble. You may have to cook it just a little bit longer than the 35 seconds each time. But that's how you do scrambled eggs in the microwave. 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, 2 tablespoons of cheese, and 2 tablespoons of milk. So in just about 30 seconds, our cake's gonna come out and we will get to see what it looks like. So for our cake, I made one earlier so you guys could see what it looks like. For our cake, you will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of flour, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Okay, so our mug is finished in the microwave. And here's our chocolate cake in a mug. Now it needs to sit for about 5 minutes before you can take it out of the coffee mug. So you want it to cool nicely before you try and take it out because it's really hot. But until then, I will show you what this one looks like. It's nice and gooey and ready for a bite. I hope you enjoyed making scrambled eggs and chocolate chip cake. Remember, 21st Century is a place to work hard, learn lots, and have fun. I hope you guys had a ton of fun. Join me next time when I take an ordinary box of cake mix and show you how to make cookies. Thank you. Bye.